G'day everyone, welcome to today's episode. Today we're back at Cleveland Spares and we're talking to Sam about this amazing 29 Model A Ford, which has some really cool features to it. So let's go and have a look.
This episode of Aussie Garage is brought to you by our proud partners.
G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. We're still here at Cleveland Spares going through another car. I know we've seen a lot already, but today we're here with Sam. Sam, how are you?
I'm good.
Welcome to the channel.
Thank you.
So, a 1929 Model A.
Yeah.
Yeah? So what can you tell me about this? How long have you guys had this one?
We've had it about 2.5, 3 years.
Yep.
Yeah, roughly.
Yeah, okay. And was it in this condition when you guys got a hold of it?
Mostly. We haven't done a lot to it.
Yeah.
Just added the guards. Yeah, it's pretty much how we bought it. We love it the way it is.
Yeah,
it's unique,
nice.
So,
yeah, it's a beautiful car and
Yeah.
it's been very well done.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So just a cruiser for you guys, get out on Sundays and go. Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
awesome.
no, we take it away. We've driven it to Echuca, Bright, so yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, they've got to get out and get driven, don't they?
Yeah, they do, they do.
100%.
Yeah, lots
Now,
of fun.
one of the things that I really love about this is the flathead engine.
Yep.
I've got a soft spot for them just
Yep.
because they look cool.
They do,
Yeah,
they do,
yeah.
yep.
So how does this thing go? I mean, like, I know they're not the most powerful things in the world,
Yep.
but they do go well when they've had the right person touching them.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
it actually does go all right.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, it's got enough go under the pedal.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not a race car, but
Oh, of course not, no,
Yeah,
no.
yeah, but no, it gets up, keeps up with everyone. So
Yep.
yeah,
Yeah, no worries.
we're happy with it.
Yeah. So what were the little things that you guys did to it after you got it?
Like I said, the guards.
Yep.
We put different wheel trimmings on.
Yep.
Put some different gauges in it.
Okay.
Because the other ones didn't work.
Yep.
What else? I think that's about. We haven't really done a lot to it.
Yeah, so just
We've
little
kept
things.
It just little things. Yeah.
Do you know any of the history of the vehicle? Do you know who owned it before you and that
Yes.
sort of thing?
So when we did buy it, I did sort of get in touch with the person that imported it. So it was imported, but it didn't have any of the interior done or anything. So he's done a lot of the work to it.
Yep.
And he ended up living around the corner from us, which
Oh,
was
okay.
really odd. Yeah,
Yeah.
got in touch with him and he gave us a bit of history on it.
So you beat the horn on your way past when you go past his house? Yeah.
Well, we took it around there, so
Yeah.
he was happy to see it, and
Yeah,
he,
nice.
like he gave us the quail to put back on that he had from when he had it.
I was going to say, because that's quite a cool little feature,
I know,
isn't it?
I know,
And
yes.
I'm not sure how rare something like that would be, but I wouldn't imagine there'd be a lot of them around.
Oh, you do see them.
Yeah,
but they're
okay.
not
So they're one of the
rare,
more
but
common ones.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
yeah, and there's like I think they're suited to the model, sort of the era. So,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yep.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
So
So,
other than that, yeah, we haven't really done a great deal to it.
yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, in this condition, there's not really much to do, is there?
No, it's
Yeah.
been built well. He's done a really good job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I've noticed there's some little touches of pinstriping around the car as well.
Yes, yep. So we do have friends of ours who does pinstriping. So yeah, we got him just to put a bit of a touch onto it. Yeah, just to make it ours, I guess.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, personalise it to you guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
And red pinstriping on black looks
I
awesome.
know.
Yeah.
I nearly went with a bit of white as well, but
Yeah.
once the red was on, was like, no, that was enough. So
Yeah.
just something subtle.
Yep.
Yeah.
Ah, beautiful.
Yeah.
No worries. And you've got the red interior in there.
Yeah.
So was that what made you go with the red on the pinstriping, or was
Yes.
it just?
No,
okay,
it was the red interior.
You wanted to match that.
Yeah, and the wheels.
Yeah.
So it kind of all matched in.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. So do you guys get? You said you've been down to Echuca, and
Yeah.
so you go to all the shows, that sort of thing.
Yeah, we go to a few. We've got certain ones we go to every year. So we do Bright, we do Echuca, we do Queenscliff
Yep.
Rod Run. So yeah, and we take it to local ones as well. So yeah. It's fun to drive.
Yeah. And it's good too when you get to the shows. Everyone's like-minded. You know, you
Yeah.
sit there and talk cars all day.
Exactly.
It's great. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
So have you always had a passion towards cars?
Yeah, I grew up with cars. My dad used to race cars.
Okay.
My husband used to race cars. My dad had his own mechanic business, and so I've grown up with cars my whole life. So I've always had a passion.
Yeah, nice. Yeah.
Yep. So my husband and I sort of enjoy the cars together.
Yeah.
We work on them together.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So you're not afraid to go in and get your hands
No,
dirty?
not at all.
Ah, that's perfect.
And I've got nails too, but I work with them. So
Yeah. No, that's spot on.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, beautiful.
Yep.
All right, well, let's go around and have a look in the interior.
Okay, sure.
All right. All right. Yeah, they're a nice tight fit, these little
I know.
things, aren't they? Yeah.
And we've got
I
room.
feel very tall in
Yeah.
here. Yeah.
When you hit the bumps, you feel it.
Yeah. No, this is all. Oh, and you've still got the flip-up windscreen, which
Yep.
is great. Yeah, that's gets a bit of airflow through, I suppose.
It does on the hot days. Yeah, it's a blessing.
Because I imagine you're not really running aircon or anything in this.
Well, yeah, only the windows. So
Yep. Yeah.
that's it.
And do you get the top down often
Yeah,
and cruise with the top
Yeah,
off?
we take the top off. Yeah.
Yeah. It'd probably be better for me if I was
it would.
driving it. Yeah.
Yeah, except the blocks your vision, depend how tall you
Oh,
are.
okay. Yeah. Fair enough. Yeah. So you said you'd redone the gauges in here.
Yep.
And so what are they?
They don't
no
really.
name on them.
No, they
Yeah.
don't have a name on them.
Yeah.
But what was in here was a similar look, but the speedo didn't work. We had it tested and it couldn't be fixed, so we just
Okay.
got new ones. We couldn't get the ones that were the same, so,
So you
we
wanted
got
a matching
similar
set.
ones. Yeah.
And they look good with the white face in
They
there.
do.
Yeah.
Just breaks it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now are they digital? Is that speedo
Yeah,
digital?
yeah,
So
yeah.
it works off GPS, that one, or does it still work off a sender?
I'm pretty sure there's a sender.
Yeah, nice.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's in kilometres. Our other ones were in mile per hour, but we couldn't sort of find anything.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that we liked.
Ah, beautiful.
Yeah.
But very simple in here. I
It
like
is.
the door trims. The
Yeah.
trimmer's done a great job.
They
in here,
really
hasn't he?
have. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
And it flows through into your kick panels.
Yep. We've
And,
got electric windows.
Yep.
That's
Oh,
probably one
nice.
of the luxuries. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's what the switch is.
Yeah,
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 beautiful.
yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Yep.
Yeah, I wonder if people were just generally smaller back in the day, or whether they were just this is the.
Well, there's
think
plenty
they were-
of room behind the seat.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I don't know, but we fit in it, so
Yeah. So technically, you probably could move the seat back
Yeah.
a little bit if
if
need
we needed
be.
to, yeah, of course. But it's all right for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Not
no
the
worries.
greatest in the rain. We've got our little wiper.
Oh
holders.
yeah.
But we generally don't take it out in the wet.
Yeah, I would
Yeah,
imagine
yeah,
so.
we keep it out of the wet as best we can.
Well,
so.
with the open engine, it's probably not the
Yeah.
greatest idea, is it?
Yeah.
You'll spend all weekend cleaning it once
That's
you get
right.
home. Yeah.
yeah. So
Yeah.
try and keep it in as good condition as we can.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No, this is fantastic. It's in great nick in here.
it is. I think it was imported around the earlier 2000s.
Okay.
I can't remember the exact year.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's sort of when he put his touch on it.
Yeah, nice. Yeah,
Yeah.
we've seen a few cars come out of the States.
Yep.
Yeah, so was this painted when it came out? So you said it had everything but the trim when it was imported, is that right? Or was that...
I can't remember if it. No, I don't think so. I think he would have
He
had it
painted it as
painted.
well.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
cool.
the paint's in pretty good nick.
Yeah.
Yeah, like it's all steel body.
Yep. Well, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's only the boot lid that's fiberglass, but
Yeah,
the rest
okay.
of it's steel.
Yep.
Yeah.
No, awesome. Yeah, it's hard to get the steel bodies
It
these
is.
days. Like there's a lot of fiberglass stuff out there now because people just can't get a hold of the steel bodies
Exactly,
anymore. So
exactly.
it makes sense.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the pinstriping in here looks great. I
It
love
does,
that.
yep.
Yeah, he's done a very good job on
He
that.
has.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
So just a bit of a touch, break it up a little bit.
yep. No, fantastic.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's jump out and have a look at what's going on around the back.
Sure.
All right, so just the big classic sloping back end, aren't they?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
And again, the red pinstriping just finishes it off,
It does.
doesn't it?
It does. Yeah.
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 And doing it around the handle, there's something there to flow it out from. So yeah, no, he's done very good on
He
that.
does. Yeah. He's done a good job.
So has this got a boot or a dicky seat?
A boot.
A boot.
Yep.
Yeah.
Would
Yeah.
love a dicky seat.
Yeah.
Yeah. But no, this one's got a boot.
Yeah.
Do you want to have?
We can do.
Yep,
Yeah.
yep.
Yeah. I imagine it's all trimmed out in there as well, is it?
It is.
Oh, lovely. Yeah. Oh, and a fire extinguisher. Yes.
Yeah. So that's all nice and neat, matching the front.
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? And the red is just a hot rod thing, isn't it?
It is.
Red interior.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sort of in the older builds, I guess.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yep.
Yeah, it just stands out. Like, I mean, it's something, and I think it comes from the old rodding days, doesn't it? Because they were all into doing it so differently to everybody else, just like we are with our muscle cars now.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, no
so
worries.
it's done a neat job in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, we've got a bit of storage underneath.
Yep.
In there, just for the cleaning stuff.
Yeah.
Yep.
A few bits and pieces,
Yeah.
enough room for a suitcase for two, and that's about
right.
all.
Yeah, it fits plenty in there. Yep.
2 people, 1 suitcase. It sounds good to me. Yeah.
And an esky.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the wheels are reasonably wide at the back here. They seem like they've got a good purchase on the road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, no, good size. They're actually still the ones that were on it when we got it.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so we haven't had to change them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But did
so
you change
far.
the rims, you said, or not?
No, just the
The
trimmings.
the trims and the
on
upcuts.
there.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
But no, otherwise everything's the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no worries at all. Mate, well, this thing is absolutely awesome. I do love a good rod, especially a black hot rod with a red interior. There's just something about that colour combination.
Agreed.
You know, the car's almost, I won't say secondary to the interior, but the interior,
Makes
when you open the door, it goes bang.
Yeah. Agreed.
And especially with the beautiful gauges and the steering wheel and all that sort of stuff in there, it just, absolutely awesome car.
It is. It's cool.
Yeah. No worries. Well, look, thanks so much for coming out today and showing us your ride here at Aussie Garage. Yeah, it's been awesome to talk to you.
Thank you.
And we'll be back again, and maybe we'll catch up with you again and see one of your other cars.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah, perfect. Thanks so much.
For
Cheers.
having me.
No worries at all. Thanks for watching this week's episode, everyone. And also, don't forget to check out the website. We've got some awesome merch on there. Maybe even grab something for yourself or someone else.
And we appreciate you guys supporting us.